In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI Chatbot to Squarespace. We'll use Elf site to create the chatbot, then embed it on your Squarespace site. Make sure you're logged into your Elf site account and you have edit access to your Squarespace website before we begin. Start on the Elf site dashboard and open My Apps. From there, head into the catalog. In the search bar, type AI and you'll see the AI Chatbot option appear. Click it to open the setup flow. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Pick the one that best matches your goal: sales, support, or general QA. And when you're ready, continue with that template. You can always fine-tune later, so don't worry about getting every detail perfect right now. Next, Elf site will ask for your website URL. Paste your site's address into the website URL field. This lets the chatbot analyze your content so it can answer questions using information from your pages. Click Analyze and give it a moment. The scan may take a little while if your site has many pages, so just keep the tab open and let it finish. When the analysis is complete, click Publish to generate your widget. Now locate the widget card, open the three-dot menu, and choose Embed Code. Click Copy Code to place the full embed snippet on your clipboard. This is what we'll add to Squarespace. Switch over to your Squarespace site editor. Navigate to the page or section where you want the chatbot to load. Many people add it in a global area so it appears across the site, but you can also place it on a single page. Click Add Block, search for code, and select the code block. Open the block's editor by clicking the pencil icon, then paste the Elf site embed code into the field. If you see a preview toggle, you can enable it to confirm the code is recognized. When you're done, apply your changes and save the page. Note that your Squarespace plan needs to support custom code for this to work. Refresh your live site and you should see the chatbot button appear. If it doesn't show up immediately, clear your cache or check in a private browser window. From here, you can return to Elf site anytime to adjust the chat window style, greetings, and behavior. If you update your site content later, run Analyze again so the chatbot stays current. Finally, test on desktop and mobile to ensure placement and performance feel right for your visitors. That's it. Your AI chatbot is now live on Squarespace.